Hello and welcome to daily coronavirus updates on HW News. The fourth phase of nationwide lockdown is in place, which will end on 31st May. Though many relaxations have been already provided across the country, India is also looking to resume its domestic flights on Monday. Let's look at the global numbers of COVID-19. The SARS-CoV-2 virus has so far infected 54,29,739 people globally. The death toll across the world stands at 3,44,464. The number of recovered patients in the world rose to 22,69,873 with almost 42% of the global recovery rate. In India, the total number of positive COVID-19 cases have gone up to 1,31,868, out of which 54,440 have been either cured or discharged. The death toll in India due to COVID-19 stands at 3,867. Of the 3,867 deaths, Maharashtra accounts for the maximum with 1,577 fatalities, followed by Gujarat 829, Madhya Pradesh 281, Delhi 231, Rajasthan 160 and Uttar Pradesh 155. In the last 24 hours, India saw the highest surge in COVID-19 cases till the date, with around 6,767 cases of COVID-19, whereas 147 coronavirus-linked deaths were reported in last 24 hours. Let's move on towards important news of the day. The Vijay Rupani-led BJP government was criticized severely by Gujarat High Court for trying to artificially control the COVID-19 epidemic and termed the civil hospital in Ahmedabad as good as dungeon, maybe even worse. The civil hospital in Gujarat has so far recorded 377 COVID-19 deaths, which is 45% of the total deaths in the state. A bench of Justices J.P. Pardiwala and Ilesh Vora gave several directions to the state government on improving treatment and facilities for COVID-19 patients, while hearing several allegations raised as a part of public interest litigation concerning COVID-19 issues. The High Court compared the situation in Gujarat to the sinking of the Titanic. The bench said it is very distressing and painful to note that the condition prevailing as on date in the civil hospital is pathetic. We are very sorry to state that the civil hospital Ahmedabad appears to be in extremely bad shape. High Court also said that although there were enough testing kits, they were not being put to effective use. High Court asked the government, is the state government aware of the hard fact that the patients at the civil hospital are dying because of the lack of adequate number of ventilators? Moving on to the next news, Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray in a social media interaction with citizens said it was neither proper to impose lockdown at one go suddenly, nor it was right to remove it. He also said for bringing the life back to normal, he was working and taking every step consistently. He expressed the need to ensure that while doing away with the lockdown, people should not violate social distancing so that relaxations are forced to be withdrawn. Chief Minister also informed about various health services in the state and said that there have been more than 3,48,000 coronavirus tests done in the state so far. He said that 2,98,000 tests have been negative and there have been 1,577 deaths so far, but this includes many patients who were admitted to the hospital at 11th hour and they were high-risk patients. The symptoms of the cold, temperature, cough now has new ones like fatigue, feeling tasteless, feeling no odor, or those who sense such symptoms should immediately approach hospitals for checkup. He also cited the examples of newborn to 90-year-old getting cured and free of corona. Chief Minister also made it clear that the next battle would be more serious and number of patients is likely to increase, but appealed people not to resort to panicking since government is providing health services on a big scale. He told that the first field hospital in country has been set up at Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. He also informed that the hospitals equipped with ICU beds with oxygen supply are being set up all over the state along with in Mumbai, and lakhs of beds are getting readied for patients. In Mumbai alone, by the end of May 14, 1,000 beds with ICU and oxygen facility are being set up, he added.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं है। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर है।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है, हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.